Hello everyone, and in this video we are going to look at would like, so English grammar, sentence structure and rules. Okay, so let's look at how to use would like. So we'll look at the rules and the structure. First, let's look at an example. I would like to eat sushi. I would like plus infinitive to eat. Okay, and it is a polite way to show your preference. Okay, so you say, I would like to go to the cinema now. That is your preference. Okay, and let's look at some questions now. We use would you like to offer something. Okay, would you like? So let's look at some examples. Would you like to go to the cinema? Okay, it's an offer. Would you like some coffee? Would you like an apple? Okay, would you like an apple? I'm offering something to you. And then we can make this a little bit shorter. We could say I'd like. Okay, I would like is equal to I'd like. I'd like to eat some cake. Okay, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.